And when I was there, he agreed to a debate, the Jehovah's Witness, and this was in front of about 35 or so other inmates. And he was very strong in his religion, because they are strong and they go out and preach. And then he came to the front, and this is how the debate went with him. I said to him, Jesus in the Bible, because they are knowledgeable about the Bible, I said, Jesus in the Bible went and prayed by putting his head on the ground. Who does that today? And his name was Peter Stickley. And Peter said, Muslims. I said, if you saw Mary, I can't remember the exact conversation, which was a number of years ago, but I said, if you saw Mary, the mother of Jesus, peace be upon Jesus, and the other female followers of Jesus, if you saw them in the street, dressed with their head covered and with loose clothes on, what religion would you think they are? And he said, Muslims. Okay, Jesus was circumcised, like a Muslim. Jesus used to eat food, which was essentially halal food. It was kosher food. Kosher food, and the animals are killed in the same way as halal food. He said, yeah, Muslims do. And Jesus used to fast in the same way the Muslims fast in Ramadan. Do you agree with all this? I said, yes. So Jesus' lifestyle, what was it, Peter? This was a debate in front of an audience. And I can't remember the exact conversation, but approximately it went like this. I said, what do you think about Jesus, Peter? What religion was Jesus? And he said, it's supposed to be a debate. He said, Muslim. So why didn't you become Muslim? He said, okay. He said, okay. I said, this is a debate? Is it a debate or just came up to do shahada? You know? So he said, okay, so ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. He became Muslim, alhamdulillah. Changed his name to Yusuf, isn't it? He's changed his name to Yusuf, and this was Jehovah's Witness, you know, because they're knowledgeable. Now, what I would suggest with Jehovah's Witnesses, brothers and sisters, we'll go through some details later on, is don't have a debate about the Bible is full of contradictions, because you're attacking them and they're going to defend. What you show Jehovah's Witnesses is, they are very strong on their religion. What you say to Jehovah's Witnesses is, this is the lifestyle of Jesus, and I want to follow Jesus. Do you, John, as a Jehovah's Witness, want to follow Jesus? And he'll say yes.